Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody.
This is 80-20 ground beef, free range. This is Havarti cheese. This is beautiful bun. This is tomato, avocado, dill pickle, mayo, mustard, ketchup. Mike Foster here. This is my version of the best burger. First thing I'm gonna do is drop this baby on the grill, and I'm gonna bring it back, put this together for me, best burger you can eat, Killer Diller. Check this baby out. There it is. This is a hamburger bun, not toasted. One side, mayo. That's the baby. On that side, tomato. This side, ketchup. I got a homemade ketchup recipe if you want to check it out. Mustard. Okay, what goes best with ketchup and mustard? Pickles. Pickles, 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 pickles. All right, a little more mayo here. A little more mustard here. Remember, this is the best burger you can have, and it's all about the burger. Here's the burger. I'm gonna put that baby down right there. One crack of salt, one crack, couple cracks of pepper. For adhesion, a little more mayo. What's it gonna adhere? These pieces of avocado. Look at that. One more. Maybe not. Yeah, that's the one. I mean it. Do the flipperoo. All right, presseroo. The other flipperoo. Okay, press it. Let's do the sliceroo. Ready for the old sliceroo? Okay, get a good hand on there and slice it so you guys can see what it looks like. All right, big close-up coming up. Reveal. Ooh la la, baby. There's the close-up of the best burger ever. Let's take a big bite. Now you could say, I need bacon, I need anything. No, you don't need anything, you need this. This is the best burger. Everything I put in there. I taste the avocado, the pickle, the tomato, the mustard, that burger, ketchup, mayo, mustard. You could add onions, it's not the best. You could add bacon, it's not the best. This is the best burger ever. Check it out at Live Life 365. Subscribe to my YouTube channel by the same name. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
What the intro say? Best burger ever. Well, if people are gonna say, oh, yeah, baby. Avocado falling all out. Put that back in. Oh my God. This cheese. Sweet Babu. That's all I can say.